Yes, this is a video of a 2001 Chevrolet Tahoe four-wheel drive utility vehicle that we have at Taylor & Son Chevrolet here in Sandpoint, Idaho. The truck has not been through the shop or detail yet, but so take that into consideration when we're looking at the condition. Looking at the outside paint, starting on the right-hand side, the paint looks pretty good coming down this side. Got a little bit of a buff mark right in here that looks like it might be able to be rubbed out with some rubbing compound. A little bit of scratch marks right down here in the paint coming along the side. Running boards look good on both sides. Tread wear is fair on the tires. Certainly not new. Got a few more miles left in them. There are some buff marks on both the roof and on the hood here. Hopefully you can see that in the video. Many of the buff marks are light enough that they might come out with rubbing compound, but some of them are deep enough that that's not going to work. Coming around the front right of the vehicle, got a little bit of a buff mark and paint transfer here on the right front side. Some scratch marks here in the hood. Typical road chips across the front. Coming down the left-hand side in the front. And I'm going to, I saw the scratches up on the roof here. I'm going to just hold the video up here. Hopefully you'll be able to see those in the video. And then once again back to the right-hand side, or the left-hand side of the vehicle, I'm sorry. Coming down, running boards look like they're in great shape once again. Left rear tire tread. And around the back side. Show the interior shots from both sides. The rear seats. The interior looks like it's in pretty good condition with the exception of the driver's seat. I'll show you that there's a tear in the side bolster on the driver's side seat. But you got 3 rows of seating in here. And these are the third row back here in great shape, which typically mostly always the case. Second row seating looks good as well. Now there is an entertainment control center here in the back, and the panels, the push button panels underneath are loose, so I don't know if it's operable or not. You have drink holders here and a power point in the back seat. Moving to the front, got power seats on both sides, passenger and driver. Like I said, the leather's in great shape except for the other side, the side bolster, the left-hand side of the driver's seat, which I'll show you when I get around there. You have AM, FM, cassette, and CD player in this rig. Power heated seats on both sides. I'll take you around now and open up the driver's side door. And here's the rip and the side bolster for the driver's seat that I was telling you about. Driver's side door panel, all the controls. Once again, heated seats, heated leather on both sides. I'll start the vehicle. Overall condition is very good. The dashboard and controls. You do have a power sunroof. It is operable. And I think that's it. Have any questions, give Callie a call at Taylor & Son Chevrolet at 208-263-2138.